Hello my dear friends, Namaste and Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope everybody will be fine in their life. Today I am in a present in schools, so I thought myself that I should make one videos about the schools. So first of all that I introduce myself that my name is Prakash and I study in metric class and I belong to the Jan Mazalis. So you can say this is my school and now I'm going to introduce about the school. So first, my school name is the Government Banima Secondary School and it is a present in the Birani city. And I know this school is a famous district Sangar. So we are very thankful to government, Sindh government, because they support our school and they support our education systems. We are thankful and it is under in a Sindh government. Please, thank you very much. Now we will talk about the school activity. He's my friend, he's also my classmate. Today he will talk some lines about the school activity. Okay, thank you.
Now we are going in our class.
Now we are going to in our center, in our class. Okay.
Now we are going for introduce our classes. Class like A class.
Hello friends. Today we came in our class, so you can see this is our class. So it's my class, and
those are the class government.
these are my classmates. Now today he's my friend. Today he will talk some activity about school. Today he will talk. Okay. Mr. Pranam, you want to say something about your school?
Why not? Actually, I'm very thankful and I'm very proud of this class. Actually, I came here. I passed the 8th class over here, and because I came in this 10th class, I got the many knowledge about this, and I'm very thankful of that teachers. This is our teacher, and his name is Sir Sadhu, and he came here. Some comments we will ask from him that how's the class and how is study. Sir, would you like to share that how they are doing this study, and if we will continue with this study, you will be connected with this study. So can we pass and can we get our end? Can we get like this? Please give some comments about it.
So as far as the study regarding you are studying in the class. So huge future. It is our life ahead in the future. So first of all, I should recommend consistency really long. After consistency, choose very
Thank you very much. I'm very thankful to Sir, my class teacher, Sir Sadhu, because he gave me the much opportunity to go and motivate me. I'm very thankful to Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please don't forget like and comment. Please
Like, share, and please support our channel. Please, we are the little user. Please support, like, and share, and don't forget the comment. Okay, thank you so much.